जीवन सफल जीवन सफल जीवन
Arise. Awake. Your time has come. Time to make a mark. Time to evolve from the ordinary to the extraordinary. What is your idea about success?
The success mean as per me that जो भी हम लोग करें for self satisfaction and complete happiness.
सक्सेस का माने जो काम करते हैं उसमें अगर हम सफल होते हैं वो हुआ सक्सेस।
Be getting satisfaction to what I am doing, my job. If I excel in that, I think that is success.
Being to content in your business, being to content with your family, and staying a happy life.
Success is all about happiness, how happy you are, and it's about spreading love, spreading smile.
The success means what the people want to achieve. With the happiness, it should be achieved.
Peaceful life itself automatically will lead to a successful life.
Yes, we make a difference. We can create that much needed transformation. The change. Safal Jeevan Institute, the place for those who have burning desire and passion to succeed and lead a purposeful life. Success is just not a matter of luck. You can craft it if you know how. It is a soft skill, a mind game, all about a perfect lifestyle. You could be a businessman, a professional, an employee, an artist, or a scientist. In whatever you may be doing, you would be able to reach the top, highest pinnacles of success in national and international levels. 1 month residential workshop at Safal Jeevan Institute within the lapse of pure nature would evolve a new person within you, a dynamic person with all positive qualities, a person who's ready to excel in life, who's able to create milestones. You would be internally trained to create substantial income and wealth, earn name and fame, create followers and admirers, and lead a meaningful and fulfilled life.
We are living in a materialistic world today, and the yardstick of a person's value is dependent on his earning capacity of name, fame, money, power, position and possession. So in order to achieve all these things, a person has to set goals and achieve those goals. Only then he is worthwhile in the society, only then he gives a meaning to his name. So when he comes to Safal Jeevan, we train him properly.
Positive thoughts, healthy habits, right attitude, all in an ambience which is so natural, pure, serene, divine, soothing for your mind, body and soul. A home away from home, our very own Garden of Eden at the Green Mall, a 12 acres naturally green paradise with more than 2,500 exotic and rare plant species. Pure spiritual ambience for your mental salvation, and a physical being where you are so close to Mother Nature. Mentored by a man who has seen it all, having traveled in over 60 countries. A man who's your best guide to the route of success, Safalta. Dinesh Rawat, a super successful businessman, the Green Miracle Man and a crusader for environment, a torchbearer of Indian values and ethics, and a beacon of light reflecting spiritual idealism. Explore your potentials at the Safal Jeevan Institute. Safal Jeevan Institute get trained in influential communication skills, time management skills, using powers of the subconscious mind, develop confidence and leadership qualities, improving and maintaining good health, developing interpersonal skills, and also attain self-mastery.
Safal Jeevan is a program, where you can excel in, what you want to achieve, which you are lacking, in today's life, in such a competitive world. We miss a lot of things, what we want to do, but we are unable to. So this is, one way you can achieve your inner self. You can achieve what you really want to do, by the way you want to do.
एक्चुअली यहाँ आके मुझे एक्स्ट्रा मोटिवेशन, एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी मिला, जो कि आई थिंक कि आई नीडेड।
अच्छा लगा और कोशिश करूँगा कि और अपने दोस्त बंधु को ला करके इसमें और इन्वॉल्व करें।
শুধু একদিনের জন্য নিলে হবে না, আমার মতে এটা যদি এক মাসের কোর্স সম্পূর্ণ করা হয় তাহলে মোটামুটি সে লাইফে সাইজ করতে পারবে।
This is a game changer. If I do it nicely and perfectly, and if I try to imbibe things, so definitely it has changed a lot.
I know Mr. Rawat from 1986. I was very happy after he started a organization name called Safal Jeevan. That means everything in our life, in our heart only, everything not outside or not. We are not taking that once. That if you find out whatever we have inside, you put it out, everything, we won't believe everything in our heart only, not outside, that's all. Mr. Rawat they can take out of that. If you follow his advice, definitely we will be successful in life.
Lead a life joyful, ideal, valuable, and admirable, most naturally. Keep ahead of others by all-round personality development.
Mr. Rawat is not an ordinary soul. He is a blessed soul, and he does have that spirit of service. I only hope that he will live up to it as a spiritual symbol dedicated for the spiritual service.
If you want to achieve anything worthwhile, then you have to program your subconscious mind. And programming of subconscious mind is done through alpha level of mind. So, according to me, this is the way to achieve success, and this is not my way. This is the way all the successful people in the earth, they have achieved success.
Your platform to touch, to enjoy, and to relish success is right here. Safal Jeevan Institute.
नमस्कार, ये जो वीडियो अभी आपने देखा, ये 2015 का है और वहाँ पे उस समय जो कोर्स तैयार किया तो बड़ा अभूतपूर्व कोर्स था, लेकिन अब तो वो संभव है नहीं, कोरोना का टाइम है, तो उसके लिए मैंने इसको 1 साल का एक कोर्स बनाया है, ऑनलाइन रहेगा और ये है फाउंडेशन कोर्स फॉर जर्नी ऑफ सक्सेस। और इसमें मैं क्या करूँगा, 15 मिनट का रोज़ वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा और इसको जो भी फॉलो करेगा 1 साल में वो इतना तैयार हो जाएगा कि बड़ी बड़ी सफलता हासिल कर सकता है, खुद अपना नाम रोशन कर सकता है, देश का नाम रोशन कर सकता है। तो आपसे अनुरोध है कि आप safaljeevan.com की वेबसाइट में जाएं, अपना नाम रजिस्टर करें, हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, जो कि ये वीडियो आपको रोज़ मिलता रहे। तो इसको हम लोग शुरू कर रहे हैं 21 नवंबर को, जो कि आपका ये दिवाली, छोटी दिवाली, भाई दूज, ये सब जितना है सब सिमट जाए, छठ पूजा ख़त्म हो जाए और 20 तारीख तक सबसे निपट के 21 तारीख से आप इसको चालू करिए और 1 साल इसको करना है। ठीक है, नमस्ते।